term SHP is probably a little unfamiliar to you guys who have a love affair with the blue oval. However, it stands for Special High Performance, and it's a new line of affordable engine components from our friends at Dart Machine that has already taken the Chevrolet world by storm. And guess what? You Ford guys are next. What we have here is one of the very first 363 cubic inch Dart SHP short block engine blocks. What we're going to do today is tell you all about some of the technology and the features that go into one of these engine blocks. And finally, we're also going to do a 363 cubic inch build, because not only do these come as a bare block, but also fully assembled blocks as well. The Fox Body Mustang is the most popular Mustang in history for enthusiasts. A great chassis, affordable, and backed with a 5-litre engine. It was a recipe for success. It also spawned a generation of small block Ford enthusiasts, all looking to upgrade to the latest and greatest performance parts. However, upgrading the engine block has always been a barrier, with many aftermarket blocks just out of the range of the word budget. That's where Dart SHP comes in. These new blocks are brand new, super high quality, yet affordable to most enthusiasts. And the best part, they are available in both 302 and 351 Windsor versions, in 8.2 and 9.5 inch deck heights.
Dart is well known among Ford racing enthusiasts for our engine blocks. These were developed in conjunction with Roush Racing. We basically strengthened all of the bulkheads, used a higher grade of iron, added a lot of features that allow this block to live in a high horsepower application. Now we're introducing a new block for the sportsman, racer, and street performance enthusiast in our special high performance line. This block is far superior to a factory casting for performance use, but does not have all of the features of a race block, which frankly a street performance or an entry-level racer doesn't need. It does, however, have all of the features you do want for those kinds of applications.
So let's talk about why the Dart SHP is the perfect block for your Ford Street build. Whether it's a 302 or a 351 Windsor, the bores are Siamese and come in 4-inch or 4125 configurations. Instead of the cylinders being separated by water jackets, the cylinders are Siamese together, providing extra support to keep the cylinder bores round during maximum power. Taking a look at the bottom end, you'll notice that Dart have added extra meat on the main webs for added strength. Steel splayed 4-bolt main caps come on mains 2, 3 and 4, and all inner bolts are 1/2 inch, while the 4 bolt caps feature 7 16th inch bolts. Dart engineered the valley of the SHP with standoffs for using standard Ford hydraulic lifters, though you can use any standard size lifter combination in this block as well. Coated cam bearings are even pre-installed. On the deck, we've got blind 1/2 inch head bolts. Now these head bolts don't go into water, which means you don't have to put any sealant on the threads. Also, speaking of water, Dart have scalloped the water jackets, which means increased cooling. For machining the rough finished bores, the SHP comes with hone-over travel clearance at the bottom of the cylinder bore, so that means the entire cylinder can be honed without the stones hitting the main webs. For oiling, Dart sticks with their proven priority main oiling system, which provides better circulation and pressure and supplies the critical main bearing first, then it heads off to the top end. And the best feature of all, the Dart SHP short block is machined on the same CNC equipment and by the same people that design and machine Dart's Pro Stock engine blocks, right here in the good old USA. Now that we've had a drool over the SHP block, let's have a look at the 363 cubic inch Dart SHP short block that we're screwing together. Dart's engine builders that build championship-winning Pro Stock engines are the same guys that built our Dart SHP short block, and the same guys that will build yours. Details count, and you should know that everything from piston ring gap, end play to bearing clearances are double-checked and recorded. Our Dart SHP short block is built from a 4125 inch bore SHP block, mated together with a Dart cast steel crankshaft that features a 3.4 inch stroke. Total cubic inches is 363. After Dart fully prepped the engine block, we installed the crank mated to Dart's 4340 forged steel I-beam rods topped with flat top Ford Marley pistons. If you think you need the upgrade, Dart has H-beam rods available. Dart's short blocks include all premium parts, Hastings molly rings, Cleveite bearings and fully coated cam bearings. Once our engine was completed, it was then crated up and shipped out to California to our shop, where eventually it's going to be mated up with a Dart top end kit and then put in one of our infamous Project 5-litre Mustangs, which is a match made in heaven. We hope you've enjoyed our look at the Dart SHP short block and short block assembly, and stick around because here at Power TV we're going to have part 2 where we assemble the engine and then whack it on the dyno.